Hello everyone, I'm Kazi Shafai Thaidar. Today I'm going to talk about perchlorate, a probable carcinogenic to human. So, what is perchlorate? Perchlorate is a separated anion of perchlorate salt, a negatively charged molecule made of one chlorine atom and four oxygen atom. Perchlorate is mainly used in manufacturing of solid propellants of rockets and missile, fireworks, road flares, ballistic agent, and automobile airbags. So why perchlorate is a concern? Because it has potential human health effect at very low concentration. It can be widespread in the environment due to its high solubility. Removing it from water and soil may be costly. Perchlorate anion has been found in drinking water supplies throughout the southeastern United States. United States Environmental Protection Agency US EPA placed perchlorate on its contaminated candidate list in 1998. Forms of perchlorate. In nature, perchlorate can be found as a impurity in the nitrate salt coming from the arid region of Chile. In the commercially produced forms are ammonium perchlorate, sodium perchlorate, potassium perchlorate, and perchloric acid. Perchlorate is a polar substance with high solubility in water. At 25 degrees Celsius, sodium perchlorate is most soluble in the water and is 2.1 10 to the power 6 milligram per liter. Then ammonium perchlorate, which is 2.49 10 to the power 5 milligram per liter, and potassium perchlorate 2.06 into 10 to the power 4 milligram per liter. Perchlorate contains chlorine at its highest oxidation state. In acidic condition, perchlorate can be oxidized into chlorine gas and water. In natural basic condition, perchlorate can be oxidized into chloride ion and hydroxyl ion. In atmosphere, chloride ion reacts with oxidant in presence of sunlight and produce chlorine oxides. These chlorine oxides and oxidants produce perchlorate. Transportation. Perchlorate can be released into the environment through human activity or by the reaction between chlorine oxidant and the oxidant in the atmosphere. Perchlorate directly released into the atmosphere expected to readily settle through wet or dry deposition. Perchlorate are persistent contaminant and their high solubility in water promotes deep percolation to groundwater. Perchlorate can be accumulated into the soil pore and uptaken by the trees, and thus it comes into the food chain. Human exposure happen due to inhalation and ingestion. In the next slide, we are going to see the flow, transportation, and transformation of perchlorate in the environment. Effect of perchlorate. Perchlorates are stable, mobile, and highly soluble in surface and subsurface aqueous systems, so perchlorate pumps in the groundwater can be extensive. According to EPA, in 26 states in United States, perchlorate is detected in both drinking water and groundwater. In California, perchlorate has been detected at an average level of 1.3 parts per billion in cow's milk. Health impact. Perchlorate is a potent competitive inhibitor of thyroid sodium iodide symporter. Perchlorate acts as an competitor of iodine, which is uptake by the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormone. When the iodine uptake is reduced due to perchlorate interference, the thyroid hormone production also decreased. When it's severe, it can alter the physical development, decrease metabolism, it can cause fatigue, depression, increase serum lipids. Economic impact. Treating perchlorate contaminated site is costly. About $143 million per year is required to treat all the contaminated sites in US using single-phase ion exchange to meet minimum contamination level of 4 microgram per liter. An interesting fact. Former percolate production facility in Henderson, Nevada contaminated the Lake Mead and the Colorado River water. This big anthropogenic occurrence in percolate contamination led to percolate being put on the US EPA contaminate candidate list. Thank you.